kireta busoga okuwaawo. Pawulo yali akati Kristo mumwawiremu yali abuuza. Kyobeko ati mbewembye ababusoga mwinsaniye singa busoga yakutambula. So twenda kwebaza ssebo the author. Kubanga okibonanga kikulu okwiza busoga ebirungo bya busoga byonna byona okwira ekitiibwa kya busoga okwira bwe tunaakolera walala nga tutambulira walala tomwenonobere byona byona biboneka n'abaana abanaira mu busoga tife tuwirewo badde kwira mu busoga eri owalala kuba singa nga baaba abamuswezi meni amusise baaba naafa amusise n'aba omulokole omwana ayinza okuba ati naasika nti baba abaire omuswezi. So singa nga tutereeza busoga neire owalala abaana abanaire mu bigere byaife bajja kuwagana busoga enteeketeeke nga busobole okutambuza busoga yajja mu maiso. Amiina, amiina. Kuba Pawulo ono bwe yali ayogera bwe munaire awo okumwodagana, Pawulo ne yakoba nti busoga bwe munaire mukumwodagana yakoba ati n'okudaazaadaazabona emyaka ati mugwaine mwire walala mugwaine mwekuume. Yali nga ali kubonanga waliwo obuzibu obuyinza okwidda olw'obutayisalya. So twenda kubiriza ababusoga buli muntu mu kiti kye ate Katonda yatubeera abaani ng'atuweera abantu bangi betukulembera tukozese awo tuba tukozese ebituuti tukozese buli wokolera ofisi wokolera abantu abakusenza okumpi oli n'abangi tukubiriza okwisanya toba busoga ejja mu maiso. Mukama yeebazibwe, Mukama yeekiyinza okuba ekikalanga. So twenda kubegayirira nti nga kyepasoni ayinza okukubiriza kubayiza mu maani nti mukono gwe the vision bearer their testes ni tiimu nti twenda kuba n'okusaba kuno kiyinza kuswaza okwagana nga olikobera abantu mukole kintu gindi nga tolikikola. So ena kudenedde okuyingira mu kusaba nga bwakikolere beene nti ensonga y'okusaba etugema ku ife ng'abantu Katonda baalonze okwida okufuna first hand information etugema ku tukitwale nga kikulu okusaba tukubeemu. You cannot give what you don't have. So ife bwe tube nakyo tukobera abantu abandi nti okusaba ekutandikira kuyiwe niwe olina ekirungo niwe olina obuvumu niwe olina obusobozi okubona nti okyusa busoga ebintu ebisiisa bye byalya nga Bayibuli wekoba biire buyaaka nga bitandikira kuyiwe bitandikira kunze. Amiina. So sebo mukwano gwaife twenda kwebaza okuteekateeka n'otweta twenda kwebaza tukolere walala twenda kubayinuma yoli buli gye tunaaba nga makanisa tukubirize obulala tukubirize okusomesa tukubirize ebyobulamu tukubirize ebyobuyondo ebibuga bikule aye nga bikula nga tuli walala obulala bwe butabeewo bino tibiiboneke. Nsiime mwebale kuyida guno n'omuliro gwange okusooka okukuŋŋaana ku muno emirundi egyo bitinaliiwo aye baba bwantuma leero neyanziiza naidde n'ategeera ekifo muno obulala n'obukuza buli kintu. So Katonda atubeere mukwano gwange w'empakitoni omwami Musambi nsiimye kubanga oyidde mwebale kuyida buli ku kiti kye tukolere walala busoga isani buli kintu kikyuke tuduuba nti tunajja okumala kwena kunedde okusaba nga waliwo ebintu ebikyuse bingi nga bikyuse maka gaife bikyuse mu mirimo. Yes, kwa Pawulo yali akoba Romans chapter 1:28 yakoba ati olw'okuba baaloba okumanya Katonda yakati kyova Katonda yabalekulira kubanga busogere obuyatuuka neyeerabira Katonda yagirekulira enfunza dagirya Katonda yagirekulira bana balema okusoma Katonda yagirekulira obufumo bwa
Ajapo sharing the rest of the program.
neyanziza ino irala. The members of the Busoga Interreligious Council and all the clergy who are here, the local and the national leaders who are here, the Governor Busoga Consortium for Development and your team, the Director General Busoga Consortium for Development, members of the Secretariat, ladies and gentlemen, and the press who are here. My name is Kisa Stephen Bakubalwayo. I'm the Member of Parliament representing Luuka South in Luuka District, and also a very strong, proud Musoga from Busoga. I'm here to represent the Minister for the Presidency, Honorable Mire Babirye Babalanda, who was meant to be here in person to launch the preparations that will lead us into the prayer week for Busoga region. Ayenga nkali kusoma bubaka bwa mukulu ko bakabuwandike mundikirize mbeyo n'ebigambo bibiri. Ekisooka nenda kubebaza mwena aberekeraiza emirimu nimwida okubaawo munteekateeka mukutogoza enteekateeka ey'okusabira Busoga. Ekintu bwe kiba nti kusabira Busoga wabaawo ensonga nga representative wa Bishop Bwakobye. Nendeera okubayozayoza mwena olw'okutuuka ku nteekateeka dino omulundi ogwokusatu, kuba tubeere naddewo emirundi gyona daaliwo omwaka ogwo, era enteekateeka n'endala edifaanana nti daabanga daaliwo. Nenda okubayozayoza nti kati tuyizeemu okutuuka ku ntiiko ey'enteekateeka dino baasebo ne banyabo. Ensonga yange esembayo nga Kisa ng'omubaka, nenda kubayozayoza mwena Abannayuganda ntindo olwawaire nga lulala October lwabaire lunaku lwakudagulizaako abantu abakulu abakaire mu nsi yona. I want to congratulate all the elders in Busoga upon reaching this very strong milestone. Nimwe abantu ab'ebitiibwa omuli wano. Ku nsonga eyo, you as elders who are here and the other elders to play ng'abantu abakulu omuli wano n'abantu abakulu abali eyo, mulina omulimu munene ino ng'otweireku okusaba gwe mulina okukola, okutembeeta, okulera n'okuboneka nti abantu baife abamito emito mu Busoga dibonera ku ife bwe tunaaba n'enkulaakulana n'okolera awalala mu Busoga mu mulembe ogwira. Okusaba n'okwebaza nga Reverend Bwakobye kiri omu ku bintu ebizuukusa. Ekintu nekibanga kyafa buli lw'osaba niweebaza Katonda n'ebyo ebyafa bizuukira. So monte ekateeka eno gye tuliku ni mu kusaba kwe tuli kujjaaku nsuubira irala nti buli kintu kyonna ekyali kyafa mu Busoga ekibaire nga tikitereire mulundi kuno mu kusaba kuno omulundi guno ogw'okusukira tubone Busoga basebo Minister for the Presidency, Honorable Mire Babirye Babalanda, buyantwise ate nga buwandiike ate bakuwa oba bakanga buwandiike obusomanga bwe buli tokola mu kantu konakona notandika kukunogolanogola so muyikirize mbubawe nga bwe buli. Members of the Busoga Interreligious Council and the clergy, the members of parliament present, the local and national leaders who are here, the governor of Busoga Consortium for the Development and your team, Director General of Busoga Consortium for Development, members of the Secretariat, the press, ladies and gentlemen, I am profoundly glad to once again preside over and chair the proceedings of the launch of the preparations for the 2024 Busoga Prayer Week that have been scheduled to take place from 14th to 20th October 2024. This is the third edition of the Busoga Prayer Week being coordinated by the Busoga Consortium for Development in collaboration. The first edition was held in July 2022 and the second edition pronounced last year during the prayer week as an annual program that will be held each year with the main purpose of 1. Celebrating and thanking God on this far He has brought us, while remembering the significant achievements registered and challenges during the previous financial year. And 2, dedicating our regional plans for the socio-economic transformation of Busoga before the Lord for His blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to appreciate the organizing committees for the previous 2 Busoga prayer weeks, together with the Busoga Consortium for Development team, the Office of the Vice President, the Busoga Interreligious Council, and the Busoga Kingdom for embracing this initiative as an annual event. Ladies and gentlemen, I was assigned by the Ministerial Coordinating Committee of the Busoga Consortium for Development to provide ministerial oversight to the coordination of the Busoga Prayer Week program during my current tenure of duty as Minister for the Presidency. I wish to appreciate the responsibility and the trust bestowed on me to lead this program. Having successfully held the first and second editions of the Busoga Prayer Week, held on 25th to 31st July 2022 and 7th to 13th August 2023 respectively, I have the pleasure to inform you that the preparations for this year's Busoga Prayer Week have formally commenced today. And I want to thank everybody, and we want to give them a nice hand clap. This year's Busoga Prayer Week will be held under the theme, deepening regional cohesion as a foundation for sustainable household transformation. Deepen regional Busoga n'okuyingiza obw'ekitundu kyaffe kya Busoga nga olutindo olunaaleeta enkyukakyuka mu maka ya Busoga. Household transformation by our spiritual fathers who are here. This theme is well described by our president, lead scripture for the 2024 Busoga Prayer Week. Will be impossible for them. The choice of this year's theme on deepening regional cohesion as a foundation for sustainable household transformation was based on the set Busoga Consortium for Development targets that seek to build economically harmonious and prosperous households of Busoga through piloting of the Village Agriculture Model VAM initiative as a framework for unpacking the 10-year Busoga development agenda. And on this note, I want to thank Busoga Consortium for Development team and the people of Mayuge, the people of Namayingo, and the people of Kamuli, who welcomed you all who participated in this. I would like to inform you that the week will involve prayers, fasting with each of the religious denominations under the Interreligious Council, that is the Anglican Church, the Catholic, the Muslim, the Orthodox, SDA, and Born Again faith, leading prayers on designated day of the week. Details of the program will be available to you in due course. And I want to call upon everybody who is in this room. Prayers have a role to play to change humanity, even fasting. It is even healthy. And as leaders who are here, we need to show the first example. Besides praying, we need to fast. And in Busoga in particular, we need to fast more if we are to see a change and unity and cohesion that we are setting for during this prayer week. I would therefore like to call upon the people of Busoga to embrace the theme through your full part. Ladies and gentlemen, through prayers and hard work, we have achieved great strides in terms of reconciling with each other and committing to work together as leaders and the people of Busoga in leading the socio-economic transformation of our region. This was well demonstrated during the Embaga ya Mwenem. that was held on 18th November 2023, we have witnessed great strides in the improvement of the performance of our schools at all levels. Economically, our people continue to explore more productive enterprises with the focus on household food security and income generation. I'm happy as a consortium, you are working very closely with government programs, and with that particular emphasis, we expect the household incomes of our people to improve. The coordination framework of the Busoga Consortium for Development in steering development interventions for the region have further gained stability following the support of His Royal Highness the Chalazinga of Busoga. And the Basoga are more proud of the kingdom than ever before, as demonstrated by the increasing homage each year, among others. I want us to join hands and we thank His Royal Highness the Chalazinga for this support. I therefore take the pleasure to congratulate all the people of Busoga on the achievements gained at both regional and household levels during the previous financial year as a result of prayer, cohesion, and hard work. I'm happy to announce that this year's main interdenominational prayer assembly is expected to be graced by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda as a chief guest on Sunday, 20th October 2024 at Luuka District Ceremonial Grounds starting at 9 a.m. This is a very strong gesture, and since the governor of the consortium is a true Musoga from Luuka, I want to thank the Secretariat for this very serious initiative for His Excellency to grace this particular function. We shall be very grateful. The Governor, I think, you are here very strongly. As we eagerly wait for the special announcement by the Katukiro of Busoga Kingdom, Owekitiibwa Dr. Mubala Joseph Sekere, concerning the participation of His Royal Highness the Chalazinga at this year's Busoga Prayer Week, I would like to call upon all the people and the friends of Busoga to participate in the Prayer Week program that starts on Monday 14th to Sunday 20th October 2024. I appeal to all of Busoga and the Basoga to return home, especially those who are in Kampala and beyond, and participate in the regional prayers, especially the interdenominational prayer assembly that will be held on the last day in Luuka district. As it has become a practice, Her Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Major Retired Jessica Arupo, will again facilitate ministerial dinner prior to the commencement of the Busoga Prayer Week on Thursday, 10th October 2024. And I want to request you to thank Major Retired Jessica Arupo, Her Excellency the Vice President, for this very strong initiative to inject during these particular preparations. On behalf of the people of Busoga, I would like to convey our appreciation to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda and Her Excellency the Vice President for the roles played in facilitating all government officials, investors in Busoga, the nation at large, to get involved in participating in this year's Busoga Prayer Week through praying. 2, attending the week's gatherings in your different denominations. And 3, attending the main celebrations on Sunday, 20th October 2024 at Luka District Ceremonial Grounds at 9 a.m. I want to thank you. Thank you for listening to me. I remain Babirie Mire Babalanda, Minister for the Presidency, for God and my country. That has been the communication from the Minister for the Presidency. And in the same footsteps, allow me, 1, to thank you for being here. Number 2, for paying very serious attention to my communication. And 3, I now want to open plenary, open discussions because the reasons why we are here is to prepare for the prayer week. What we can do here today and now will make the prayer week successful. And the unity we exhibit here must start with us in planning if we are to have unity during the prayer week. Therefore, during our discussions here, we must mold very serious plans on how we are going to handle this event. And particularly, with the confirmation of His Excellency the President to attend, we must be very careful, very serious. We must have the clear moods. We must have the vibe, so that even the Almighty God listens attentively to the vibe coming from the people of Busoga during this prayer week. As I make these comments, many of you came here slightly early, and you did not take anything at all. We shall have working tea. You get a cup of tea. I'm seeing the other side. Then you resume your seat as we proceed with the discussions. Can you go one by one? So, today's preparation marks the beginning of the prayer week. The plans that we must put on ground, the mobilization. We all have people who are Busoga outside Busoga here. We have people in Busoga here who have become Busoga even when they are not biologically Busoga. We need to mobilize them so that the united prayer can cause a fundamental change in our region. So now, I don't know, we have 2 microphones here. We are on a plan. Thank you, Governor Emeritus. They should not arrest me for calling you Governor now. Governor Emeritus. And we have open discussions. Your input, how should we be successful in this? What should we put in place? Director General, you wanted to... Yes, Governor. My RDC. The RDC Katende, for us in Luka, we call him the Super RDC. All the others are RDCs, but this one is Super RDC. So, I welcome you, sir.
And that has to be justified. So, Honorable Sir Stephen, our Lord Bishops,
You include the Minister for the Presidency.
and ministers, the one footing in for the Honorable Minister for Presidency, and all members who have gathered here. Once again, this is Katende Ronald, trying to make a year in the Iruka district as a resident district commissioner. Honorable Minister Sebo, it is a first inquiry of Funako Minister for some few hours.
Okutusanga akomyewo.
Atera kwebaza olw'okuba oli omukube mu by'abataswaza busoko. I think that's very much important. It's very relevant and people-centered. And I'm not surprised really to put in for the Minister for Presidency. And that's what you are. Nange ndi privilege. Musajja Omuganda ali mu Busoga. Okuba nga ngenda kupositinga omukolo guno ogw'obuvunaanyizibwa ogw'ekitiibwa nga bwe nabeera mu Baganda saafuna mukisa. Omukisa guyikidde mu Busoga. Nafuna omukisa n'ensomako ku concept ya Busoga Development Agenda, I think authored by this brilliant Chief Executive. Dreamed it so brilliant, well tailored, scoped, wonderful. How I wish it is holistically implemented as it is conceptualized. So, thank you so much. Busoga in resources is money which are yet to be utilized and tapped really. Is, I think, one of those. Busoga was single those that work that resource. In fact, when I was saying, I now get up to the gist of the matter. We have a problem in Busoga. We have so many resourceful people. Abatannaba kozesebwa bulungi to prosper Busoga to a different level. And I think consortium eno yenetuyambako. Case Riwange Ruka, always I talk with you. We have so many big people in big offices in Kampala. Well placed and well resourced. But when you come to analyze the problems and the challenges that we encounter in Ruka, you can't believe we have those resources originating from Ruka. You can't believe it. And I've been telling them how I wish you people organize a homecoming to talk about Ruka and really tailor some very productive programs for Ruka. Otherwise, Ruka, much as reported to government, Busoga generally is moving positively in the direction, but Ruka, I think, we still have many challenges. Now, back to the list. Nandowozeza for us to be more strategic, to enhancing the scope of the climax. Climax yaffe eya 20th day yandifaananye etya, what is the magnitude? I think we can benchmark from the previous two versions or editions, but tubuulireko gyali bitya. Can we do the same oba twongeremuko ku ingredients? Then from that point, we should go ahead and formalize an organizing committee and eventually the sectoral or working committees that are going to be donkey committees to dig out those other activities that we want to flourish our D-Day on 20th. That's my opinion, and I thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, my Supara DC. We have so many untapped resources, and it's the very reason why we are having the prayer week.
Thank you, Chair. First of all, I want to do, we need some guidance because I can see there are some new people, very many, who have not been experienced in this previous prayer week. So I would request that the Director General, you do the needful. Secondly, I would request the chair to go and sit. I don't know whether he has a seat there, so that he can chair very well as he's seated, and then we make our deliberations. Thirdly, I want us to bless the meal because it was not blessed, and people I think they are scared of going there because it has not been blessed.
Yes.
So those are the 3 remarks I can make for the moment. Father, we thank you for your provision. We pray that you bless it and those you have used to provide it. As we partake of it, we remember those without food. Provide for them too, in Jesus' mighty name.
Bishop, we needed a reaction from direct over the 2 people. The climax. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable, for effectively representing the Honorable Minister and chairing this session. Nebe okwebaza RBC for very good compliments about me. And all of you, thank you so much for your inspiration. Last year, of the main day depends mainly on the hosting local government. While we have a central organizing committee, and then we have the district organizing committee. At the center, each faith assigns somebody. Each bishop and the regional card, they assign somebody who becomes a member of the central organizing committee. Being that this is an interreligious council main coordinated event, so the interreligious council takes the lead to the organization. So in the constitution of the central organizing committee, Papa Katonda, that they will nominate each one person who is going to be a member of the central organizing organizing committee on behalf of the bishop at the regional card. And then at the district level, the governor, together with the RDC and the COW, we shall be able to sit, and then we see how we are going to make this work. We have requested the district chairperson of Nabaying to come and be part of the organizing committee at the district level to support us in the organization of the main celebration, and he has accepted.
inclusiveness. And that we try as much as possible to avoid putting all our eggs in always one basket. Because in a way, you run a risk that since you must rely on one person, so diversity has been one of our main issues. That laid the background for why your name has been floated. For diversity, for continuity, for sustainability, and embracing the different challenges that we have. I just want to add on that. Yeah. Thank you so much.
So you are giving information to the chair. Okay, thank you. I think let us get a reaction from a member.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chair. I am Lwaki oluzungu kifo kino. Tulinyibwa tuliko twenda busokeire kuntiiko singa babe babasa singa bali kwogera lunyambo singa bali baganda bali kwogera luki luganda kati bino nebireese okuba nga busoka kweyisa wansi ng'omuntu abona ng'oluzungu lulungi n'ataluyidi era abamusoka abatawulira let us embrace our land. Abantu engayise ku matulaire lusooka bona babuukire fena twogera oluganda n'okulya balungi. So I'm sorry for that, but I advocate for that and I'm very passionate for that. Kubanga nze abaana bange balokere n'okwogera olusooka nga benda kwogera luki luzungu.
Your motion has been seconded, and therefore as the chair, I declare all of this passion in this room to be conducted in Lusaka.
Honorable Chair akubye tukola tutya empende y'okukunga abantu. Nenda kulifaalingako enuma ku kyayiraako. Gavana wa Namayengo yali so passionate n'ekintu kino. Era ekintu kino yakigema mu maanyi nga bwe bakubye nti abantu ku gurawundi beerera balina osooka okubaka ekintu kino. Ife niye tunaakoba abantu olunaku abapentekotoyako nangeri yonayona kubanga omusiraamu anayogera buli musiraamu ayidamwira omuseveni anayogera buli museveni ayidakolaki somba yandikulooza ti mu ngeri y'okukunga tusobole okukitamu very intentional okubanga media houses buli muntu tubumwaki omwagaanya okujyayo baposition bona okujyayo tubonawo kankomenga kwawo musengu abawumukisa
nga akazindaalo kaliko kayisa maze watulumusa supiidi watutwala supiidi ku lulimi watutwala supiidi ku mobilization aye ng'ensonga ebaire ku tebo ebaire ya akiivu akajja okukulembera ensonga eno nga director general abaire ng'awaire proposal gavana emeritus ganga yaleeta oluzungu lungi ngaali supportinga so nenda kufuna ndowoozayo ku nsonga eyabaimirivu
ate bagabana abakubika bukizi nakubanja ife tubali tulowooza nti baba bakusazeewo kiba chairperson birakuba erumayo ate nga n'ekindi director general bwakubi nti always buli denomination ebadde netaki omuntu wano ku central nankani committee and I believe abantu abali kubakuba eki bayigye mpooza akakiiko akawazaye nga kona tulikona nga ndio chairperson waife era tujakwa our support okama omusasi
ayanzira sebo
ki abeeruuka kirungi kyeya oliraluuka gavana weeruuka aliki aliwo ate muvaatuwanirano RDC gobeeta supa begana etiimu eyeteeka okupuruvinga bwa supa bwayo okubona nti his excellence baana abayite mu kitundu kyaife mulugudu yenga aidawulira okukuuma ogwa busoga ki consortium. So okwongereza kubale nandi bakobye kubanga butimekaano niye tunatoola ino gavana w'enamayiro bw'anaatuuka eruuka tayidi bijiiko ebiri tayidi nandi bw'anaakulira isimu obutebe nibukola batya nibwita ate nti n'abakozi kubanga abakozi ba disitulikiti baba muki nsonga eno. So nze ndikukunyweza nti mwabeeruuka omulina mu basuku kubona engeri gye mwekolamu omulimu tufuna akakiiko akajja okuweesa Katonda ekitiibwa emusoga consortium nika bonabona nti niitiimu. So nze ekyo kyengenda okutakwesira nga bale bongerezaako ki bongereze ku tiimu eya district eyanzize.
So tukubire ku Bishop Mungalo bambuzire ekibuzoana nti bakitweyeta aba super tiimu olizo alebe design emipiira ediva ku level eno dajja ku yindi ni ku yindi so kale tulego mu ya super akazindaalo kagemye Bishop SDA abeku ebyatukola. Baba Bishop information oba alijiwa chair oba ajiwa Bishop avuye ku dini
local organizing committee, different denominations, local organizing committee, different denominations, don't are represented. Your district, Tinaire no Wangulu, waliwo denominations that are represented. I need to district, Lokubanga Mukolo gwa buli local. Tiona different denominations disindika ababaka baba committee eyo knowledge of Bishop Bunga Wogera. Maybe I just wanted also to give that information. Already we need to prepare in that direction.
Thank you. Okazindalo atubira Bishop SDA naida okongera emphasizing that point from Mr. Kayan.
Reverend Secretary, Atehonarevo. Nzira bingi byakwogerwa kubanga byanandyogeire banange babyogeire naddala team ekyokukulembera. I'm well satisfied with it. Nsaba nti ndakwogera where it is necessary. I for now I'm with the light.
Anti mukubire ku Mungalo satisfied n'ebigambo byonna byonna. Akazindaalo agema akazindaalo akatambuza oba nani kanso niwe yemeere gema akazindaalo ako kaweereze Bishop Orthodox first. Orthodox Bishop.
Sebuteya n'abaliwo bonna nange njagezaako nga okuwuliza wetugambiddwa okwogera mu Busoga wadde akazindaalo kano kayinza okubifuula emizindaalo emipya gikola translation omuwulira olulimi olulala kazindaalo naye nange nsekendinga bannange byeboogedde Sebuteya watenkasi wamu nekyeyawani waffe gavana waffe mutwale mu maaso muzira ekirala sebo bishop kyoyogeddeko ekya kyogezeko kya representation ku lopogundi ku ground kikulu nnyo tubeere ne representation eno waggulu n'eri wansi era ekiseera nga kituuse fenna tujja kubanga tuwaayo wa representatives okuva eno ate n'eri wansi era tunaabira bamaaso.
Thank you so much, Bishop Otaga. I think representation yes.
Ndimusanga bwino olw'ebintu by'amaiso ku nsonga eno gye tuliko nanditeesiisa nti oyo entandikwa nebeezibwa okutakula emitwe gamatakula emitwe omwaka ogwasooka n'ogwokubiri bikaana ebyo twandibaire nga tulondola na technical team eyaliwo eyabaga ebyo ng'akakiiko bwekalondebwa bwe mwanyukwiriremu twabonayo tukyusaamu awo twavaawo maawo okusingakanyo okubaga buti akakiiko kabe katyaka nandisaba ekikole ki tukkireko ebyo tulondoola ebyo byaliwo then tufune tukyusaamu tujja mumaiso watukolera bulungi watambulira obukiiko bwalondebwa butya omwaka ogwaire then twabona tukyusaamu
neyanzira mukubira okumugala amazindalo nkoba director okugairingwa lugati.
Thank you. Over the chair. Nenda okusooka okwebaza Honorable Kisa okuyigiriza okuba chairperson okusiima. Ekyokubiri, organizing committee yaife nga bwenkobye nti at the national level at the regional level tulina Honorable Kisa as the overall chair, then buli nja kusaba nti already his grace Bishop Kisitu already nominiwe aliwo wano Father Christo. So already Orthodox is represented at the Central Organizing Committee. So Nakusabati, secondly, we do have who's a representation here, SDA, who are you nominating? The nominee?
Is the time now?
Yeah, it's the time now to nominate.
Pastor Baliko.
I think before you nominate, Director General, you would have heard to guide. How is the structure? Who is supposed to be where? So that by the time we make the nomination, we are nominating the rightful people with great knowledge to ensure that there is success in this.
Weba the chair. Papa Katonda bayikiriza nti chairperson ayina okubanga kuntikko okuyamba kunteekateeka bajja kumulondanga okusiima kwaibe era olwaleero musiimye mwalondamu ne ku kisoomo. Then ayambibwako by nominees. Actually, olukiiko lutesitesi lulina okuba ba bishops. Aye olw'okuba bapapa balina emirimu mingi. Balonda, buli omu alonda, buli ntiini londa, alikiikirira, then bamemba bo baconstituting olukiiko olutesitesi olw'omukolo olwa prayer week eyawamu. So olwaleero tulina olukiiko bwe lumala okulondebwa, olukiiko luyambibwa ku secretariat ya Busoga Consortium. Nze ne ttiimu yange tubaawo okubona nti tusobozesa olukiiko olwo okukola enteekateeka dona including okuluyamba okuteekateeka meetings ebijja okuba nga bikutta mu nkola, meetings ebijja okudiscussinga budget, meetings ebijja okubona nti members abalina okuba before during the prayer week babaawo nga bwekisaaniire n'ebindi. So ekisuubirwa ekimu ku kusisinkana eno y'olwaleero nti ekisooka tukituuseeku, tulonze chairperson organizing committee. Ekyokubiri nti baba mu Katonda tujja kulonda abo abajja okugemagana ne chairperson okuteekateeka okukutiko kwaife kwa Interreligious Council. Iko aba members ab'okubira it is the Interreligious Council. Aye Interreligious Council ida kuyambibwako the secretariat okubona nti vision eyo gyeyina nga Interreligious Council esobola okuba achieved iyo okusaba kuno okwawalala. So ife kulwa Busoga Consortium for Development Secretariat working together with the Kingdom tujja ku supporting your team eri being constituted okubona nti organization is successful. Era olukiiko luno olujja okulondebwa luyamba okunyweza ebiteeso ebya district committee okubona nti organization ejja maiso nga bwe kirina okukolebwa. Ayinza okusaba nti since Honorable Mr. Sanyaliwa ow'ekitiibwa ate nga neyakulira olukiiko olutesitesi olwa omukuzi ogwokubiri, andisaba nti olwa district andikusaba nti abawe ku experiences ku ngeri gyekikolamu awo bamemba baife abakiikirirwa district y'ebuuka abajja okuba nga nabali ekyaki babe nga basobola okufuna ekifaananye era n'engeri gyebasuubira okuyambibwamu olukiiko olutesitesi olw'okuntiko olujja okubaamu members ba Interreligious Council. Nibaani abatyamaku era organization ebikola atya.
Sono yanziza Stangla. Atuwaire brief entontona ekemagana n'engeri ebintu gye biba bitambula. Aye nga nkaali kweta Gavana Namayingo kuba testimony ye success story gy'ajja okuwa ejja kuwamba district committee yali ate yalinga ati that time. My issue is from the big committee I would go to regional committee where you are saying I should chair. How do we constitute that committee? So that I am more sure of the people I'm going to work with. Then from there, the governor, Namaying, gives us a successful story of what had transpired. My team from Luka gets a lesson from it. Akazindala Mukawe, Bishop. Yes.
aposo ono n'atiikirira abalokole.
Omukubire ku mungalo tiimu aposo
ekyo maze okikolamu.
kati
Wekano tiimu yo bishop ajja kulonda omukiise atera atuma ono olowooza namugondereyo najja okuba akakiiko
wena mumukolere mungalo abalonebwa.
olwedda akakiiko ko kali well constituted tikali abstract kaliwo yeekiriza buyikirize oyete olukiiko olwabo abali kukakiika oddabona nga bonabona bakoze batya nga bayiddye bagandi bemale kitujja abateekeza byemujjakola kubanga tuyigiriza nti mulina capacity okutegeere era mwigire ekyokola ki ekyokola bagandi n'ekyokubiri sekuritaryeti yoyo yoona erijja kuba kakiika okuntiiko era ebibuuzo ebindi byona byona weddabibuuliza eyo asekutaryeti bakole batya aye nga notwidasulawo mpega nga tukutwa mona kubanga already we are just okulaba bwemujja okuswika kuba tigavana kye akulembera lwaluuka pegano akulembera bagavana baine bawa lwaluuka kati mulina okulwana ino oti nerwaniraga ebibuko mumena amayiga gonagona kabiri musinge kunaabaki alina mayindo naye nga balijjatuwa obujulizi tweyanziza
nolwensonga eyo mumukubire ku bishop mungalo amaze okugairinga. Nolwensonga eyo akakiiko okuntiiko ko kaliwo nendako naawe okuwa biragiro. Ekisooka ndigiriza okuba chairperson w'akakiiko akokuntiiko. Ekyokubiri ndikudirectinga technical team eya Busoga Consortium for Development yoona ikirize mangu erala wano okutandika okuteekateeka olukiiko lw'okuntiiko. Kiragiro ekyokusatu nti olukiiko olw'okuntiiko okusinza ku nnaku nga birigiire nenda lukyame mangu nga tubagaided ni technical team ya Busoga Consortium. Ekisembayo TP Mwami Kayemba obaire yenze okuwabulamu yogera yamaloboozi gongesi